In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in ClickUp and manage your task statuses effectively. Understanding how to customize your task statuses can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency and keep your projects on track. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. This step is straightforward, but it's crucial because accessing the right workspace and settings depends on being logged in with the correct account. Now, once you're logged in, focus on choosing the workspace where you'd like to manage your task statuses. Depending on your setup, you might have several workspaces, especially if you handle multiple projects or teams. Select the relevant one to proceed. This ensures that any changes you make are applied to the correct environment. Next, it's time to click on Space Settings. You'll find this in the sidebar. It might take a second to locate if you're not familiar with the layout, but it's generally near the top section of your navigation options. The Space Settings area is where you manage configurations for the specific project space you've chosen. Moving forward, click on Task Statuses. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you're not only able to view existing task statuses, but also set up new ones tailored to your project needs. This flexibility is a core feature of ClickUp, allowing you to customize how you track progress. Now let's add a new status. Click on the Add Status button. You'll see a field where you can type in the name of the status you want to create. Consider using clear and concise naming conventions, which will make it easier for everyone in your team to understand at a glance. Also, you can choose a color that the new status will be associated with. Picking distinctive and intuitive colors helps in visually differentiating statuses and can significantly enhance the visual management of your tasks. After you've chosen a name and color, go ahead and click Apply Changes. This step ensures that your new status is initialized and available for use within your chosen workspace. Finally, don't forget to click on Save Changes to confirm your additions. This last step is crucial, as it saves all the modifications you made. Without saving, you risk losing all the customization work you just did. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add and manage task statuses in ClickUp, giving you better control over your project workflow. Whether you're collaborating with a team or managing personal projects, tailored task statuses can make your ClickUp experience more organized and productive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.